analysis I was just talking about brings in the competing interests, if you like, but you still have to introduce, and it gets hard and complicated, you have to introduce the, okay, what can you say about the government actors, and how do you separate those, the actors who are public servants, and the actors who are elected officials. And as I mentioned to you before, this notion of the public choice theorists has carried significant sway in some quarters in trying to explain the behavior of public servants and elected politicians and elected executives, although with more careful study of networks and of participants in these, it's becoming clear that what many of us, many people would suspect is in fact true, that public servants aren't just, it doesn't stand the test to say that public servants are just motivated by their own prestige and power and advancement. And the reasons for this are relatively clear. Some of them can be perhaps are a little bit more subjective than others, but first of all, the very point about advancement, we have to remember that governments are institutions. Institutions have rules and conventions and so on, many of which are normative, many of which are rules about what constitutes desirable or meritorious service. And so if you're